Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study a science paper. Begin by reading the abstract to get a quick overview of the research and its main conclusions. Next, skim the introduction and conclusion sections to understand the paper's background and its key findings. This initial scan helps you identify the central research question and the overall goal of the study, setting the stage for a deeper dive into the content. Now delve into the methods section to understand how the research was conducted. Pay close attention to the experimental design, materials, and procedures. Then move to the results, focusing on the figures and tables. These visuals often convey the most critical data. Understand the statistical analyses applied and what their significance levels, like a p-value of 0.05, truly mean for the findings. Next, critically evaluate the discussion section. Here, authors interpret their results, but it's crucial to assess if their conclusions are fully supported by the data. Consider any potential limitations of the study or biases that might influence the findings. Formulate your own questions and critiques, thinking about alternative explanations or future research directions. This active engagement deepens your understanding. Finally, synthesize all the information. Summarize the paper's main arguments, key findings, and its overall contribution to the field. Think about how these findings connect to your existing knowledge or other research you've encountered. This helps solidify your understanding and integrate new information. Also, for a great resource that can truly change how you think about money, check out the link in the description, along with other deals we've curated for you.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.